Hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Hey guys, welcome back. At this time, well, a couple of days ago, where we had to roast him. Now here's the video of him, of us roasting him.
Hey everyone, so I have some really big news. The grand final episode of my first ever animated series Meta Runner is premiering this week over on the Glitch Productions channel. It honestly has one of the craziest endings we've ever come up with, and I'm so excited to show you guys the epic conclusion to Tari's story. Speaking of Tari, do the sponsorship dance.
What?
Thanks to Infinite Magic Crane for sponsoring today's video. This is Infinite Magic Crane, a brand new mobile turn-based strategy card game with distinctly designed factions and over 200 high-quality 3D heroes to pair up. You will be beat!
It's duck match.
And if you want to become unstoppable in the PvP or PvE challenges, get into the easy-to-master upgrade and customization system.
It's what the?
And there's so many different modes, from the roguelike storyline quests, the mini-game event dungeons, or the guild gameplay. And if you're busy, just use the idle mode to gather resources and never fall behind. And because the game just came out on iOS and Android with over 1 million pre-registrations, players get loads of free gifts and legendary heroes, like Margarita, the Deadly Lips, by logging in within the next 14 days, or complete the beginner challenge to get the legendary hero space. So click on the link in the description or follow the QR code up there to download the game today. Make sure you use my code IAM777 to get 777 diamonds, 777,000 coins, and 10 excellent runes. Now, on to the video!
You left Charlie there.
This is so nice!
Okay, everybody, tonight I've got a real treat for you.
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, yeah! Let's go!
Mario, more like Gario. Lol.
What?
So that's how it's gonna be, huh?
Yep.
Bring it on!
Mario, looks like I will bring you on some hot-ass toasted bread. You know that you were known to be the best.
That's very long.
We're in for some shit today, aren't we?
You're ugly.
Uh-oh, somebody stupid.
Minor spelling mistake detected.
Your argument is no longer valid.
Mario is the kind of person who sits at his computer all week, not moving an inch to correct people using your because he's the one person corrector with you.
Huh.
God damn it!
I love this character. His clothes are fashionable. His mustache is on point. And he's the best of the bros. I respect everything you do and will keep on respecting. Thank you, Luigi.
Oh, hello, Luigi.
Among us, among us, among us, among us,
Whoa.
among us.
It's really a lot of that.
Something's wrong in your life. There's undiagnosed trauma there. And you need to get it resolved.
Thank you, Mario, for always brightening our day.
Oh, yeah! Yahoo!
Oops, I meant to say Bob.
This is gonna be fun.
Got him. We liked him better when he was only screaming.
I think that can be arranged.
Oh no.
Your mid plus ratio plus Wimbo should be the main character. Plus Italians aren't legally human. Plus tortellini better.
Ooh.
One roasted Mario coming right up.
I don't get it.
Stop! Oh, I'm saved! I'm saved!
Hey, boy, you cleaned the toilet yet? Oh, never mind.
Take me, sweet dad!
A plate of noodles is the only you will ever pull.
What?
You underestimate me.
Nani?
What's going on? Wow. That's from evil.
Get a load of this guy.
Yes, turn to trash.
Where did you go? Huh?
Ooh, it's a sign fights. Feels like each one.
You would reach terminal velocity if you jumped from your cholesterol count to your IQ.
Well, how bad could that be?
What?
Well,
Why do you get down? Oh.
That's very punky.
Opinion about spaghetti.
Thank you, kindly stranger.
Hey, Stinky.
What the hell is this?
God damn it!
Stop it! Stop it! Get doxed, idiot! Hey, idiot!
Why your mouth built like a New York style pizza slice?
No way. My mouth doesn't look like a piece of slice.
It does.
God damn it!
Your nose looks like it would make a nice omelet.
Is that even possible?
What the?
Easy does it.
Oh.
I don't know why Mario be talking all that with those dollar store ass shoes. Probably crazed as
Ooh.
Because in this world, you either trick or die.
SMG4, you better not be laughing. You got the exact same shoes and it looks even worse.
Oh, big
Imagine
one.
saving the one woman in your life and not even moving up a base in the relationship.
I hear you. Counterpoint.
When I'm through with you, they'll never find your body.
You are friends with so many anime thoughts. You might be a Reddit whore.
I wash myself with a rag on a stick.
What a loser.
You're not allowed to violate the rules in our COS. You're fat!
Oh no.
Mario. More like. Oh.
Come on, do your worst, you worm!
Oh. Bad.
Me and my hat are going to kill ourselves soon.
I don't think this one is really a roast, but my brain just told me to make this. Mario's the type of guy to bring Agent people to an Agent Plus movie.
You should kill yourself now.
Mario, you're a plumber.
Is that heavy?
Can't make you more miserable.
You are the sun in my life. Now get 93 million miles away from me.
You fat, bald bastard!
Oh,
Piece of
please.
subhuman trash! 2,000 years of constant human evolution to create a hairless...
Oh, he's gonna lose everyone.
Mario?
Look at this dude. Look at the top of his head.
Don't you lecture me with your $30 haircut!
I am shocked and appalled.
What's up, guys? What the
He's gonna lose everyone.
Stop
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Big shout out again to today's.
So that's what happens if they get rolled so many times. He rolls everyone. And he become a joke. See you guys.